What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be making roasted tomato salsa, so let's get started. This salsa is definitely one of the best I've ever had in my life, and I'm going to continue making it this way forever. In my bowl, I have tomatoes, jalapenos, and one poblano. And you're going to wash it up. You want to make sure all your fruits, vegetables are always clean. I'm now going to chop it up. I decided to just use one whole jalapeno versus two. I feel like two would have been too spicy, so I only did one whole one. And besides, as you can see, my jalapeno was pretty big. It was a big ass jalapeno. So if you have small baby ones, use two of them. Next, I'm gonna cut up my poblano. You guys know, well, some of us know, poblanos don't carry a lot of heat. It's just a lot of flavor, so I wanted that flavor profile in the back. This is my garlic. You buy them like this in the supermarket, but if you have fresh, use, take it out the bowl. Use a whole head of garlic is what I'm saying. That was about 10 cloves. So this is what it looks like right here. Put it out on my parchment paper on my sheet pan. I'm going to season it with chicken bouillon and salt and some oil. You want to put it all over your veggies just like this. You're going to pop it into a 425-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes, just until they're nice and dark and golden. Halfway through, however, I did remove my garlic because I didn't want it to burn. But so you'll know, like, you guys have common sense. You'll know when it's time to remove the garlic off of there. You'll know when it's time to take the veggies out. But I'm still going to show you guys every single step. Alright, so to finish this up, you want to check for salt and pepper. I'm also going to add some lime juice as well as a big bunch of cilantro. It looks like it's a lot, but it was just the right amount to balance out the tomatoes and jalapeno. So I seasoned it up with a little more adobo, some salt, and my cilantro and lime juice. And you want to blitz it. You don't want baby food, but you want to break it down, So that's what I did. I just kept posting it until I got the texture I preferred. If you prefer a rougher texture, go ahead, no problem. If you prefer baby food, you can do that too. So this is what it looks like. I served it up with some chips. These are the only chips I had available. You can use whatever chips you want. But I'm telling you guys, this is probably the best salsa I've ever eaten in my life. It was just so delicious, perfectly balanced. It was not spicy, and it was just so delicious and flavorful. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, you guys.